So chosen from a field of 39 dedicated dads, Carlton Stewart has been crowned Father of the Year by the Eternal Father Awards. Whew! Eh? Respect, youth.
Yeah, man, respect.
And congratulations.
Oh, man, yes. Thank you, Mr. Bill.
Before, you can't call me never said, but before you found out about the nomination, I think, did you know about this award in the first place?
I never had a clue about it.
Never heard about it?
No, sir.
Who nominated you?
My sister and a good friend of mine, Kadish.
So when did you know that you were nominated?
When I won Champion Father for
That is when they didn't know.
So what happened was they did it secretly. They conspired against me. Kadish found out about it last year, and she sent the information to my sister saying that she wanted to nominate me this year. So they went ahead and they got videos and photos, and they sent in the nomination.
Yeah, the conspiracy sounds like it works still.
Yes, it did. Because what happened was I got the email confirming that I won Champion Father for St. James. So I was like, what is this? I never applied for anything. I never applied for any competition. But then when I read the email and I saw my sister's name who nominated me, then I
understand what going on.
Then I knew that it was real.
When you found out that you were going to be a father, how did that make you feel?
At first, I was a bit nervous because it's something new. But, you know, the saying, you have to man up. And it all came naturally from there.
And then when you became a father, what was that feeling like?
Ecstatic. I can say that I did something that not a lot of fathers get to do. I cut his umbilical cord.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Brilliant.
So I was in the delivery room and I did cut the umbilical cord.
The only thing I will tell you about that is when them turn around and see me, the doctor say, can somebody get Daddy a seat, please?
That's what the doctor told me too.
And before them said Daddy go, a summy is here.
That's what they told me too.
So me tell Jackie, say, me not coming back in here.
The doctor,
me will pass out. What was that
no
feeling like? No, that must have been amazing.
Yes, man.
Yeah?
Yes, man.
If I ask your son, his name is Kalani.
Kalani.
If I ask Kalani, and I'm not asking what you think. If I ask Kalani what kind of father you are, what do you think he would say?
He'd say fun. He'd say strict. He'd say loving. At least I hope. But yes.
Tell me about the strict part.
Because, you know, with kids, you allow them to play, but you can't allow too much. You have to limit it. And just guide them as best you can, doing the rights and wrong. Mm-hmm. So he gets it all together.
Yeah. It's not something that we go to school to learn.
Yes.
Nobody not teach you nothing about it.
Definitely.
And I can attest to that because I think everyone knows my story already. But are there any areas that you think I could have been a little better, I can be a little better, or you think you have it down pat, you know?
You can never have it down pat, you know, because there's no one perfect. Life continues to change every day, so at one point you can be good at something, and then you see where you need to make improvements, because, as I said, there's no one perfect, so you can always improve. Yeah. There's always room for improvement.
You get annoyed with him and ball out and make noise and all kind of stuff?
Well, that comes with the territory. That comes with the territory, but I try to control it as much as I can and be patient with him, because a child is a blank slate, so you have to imprint on them what you want out of them.
What kind of child is Kalani?
Energetic, charismatic, loving, kind, a little bit strong-head. I think he got that from me.
It is something that I've tried to tell people. My mother used to beat me sick. If she was here, I think they would have locked her up. But I've never hit my kids. What kind of father figure did you have in your life, even if it wasn't your personal life? Did you see any fathers out there that you kind of say, yeah, man, I want to be?
So my father was in my life, and I think that's where I get the strictness from, because my father would only talk once. And then you know what will happen.
Yeah.
you don't move same time. So that's where I get most of my fatherly knowledge from, because he imprinted a lot on me when I was growing up.
Yeah. The other day, Sim and I had a little discussion about as a father with a baby, and I kind of put up me and I say guilty because when the child needs to be changed, me used to say, Jackie, I don't know if you do this. And so you get involved in all aspects.
Man. All aspects. I even went old school and sucked coal from his nose.
You never have to tell me that. Sorry for not having breakfast this morning. You never have to tell me that. Well, that is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, man, I was fully hands-on.
And what about you got school and PTA meeting and all kind of thing?
Yes, I'm a member of the NAS Children Center in Montego Bay, PTA. And every sports day, every event they're having, I am right there.
Amazing. You run the father's race?
Yes, man.
So you win with the distance, especially did beat up the mother them?
Not that distance, but I did win. Yes, sir.
So impressed with you.
Thank you, sir.
Tell me what you won.
All right, so first of all, I won Champion Father for St. James. Mm-hmm. And then I won Best Fatherhood Moment via video or photograph.
Is that the picture right there we're looking at? Is that the one right there? That's you?
No,
that's not you.
It's the one with bubbles.
Okay. And then the big one now is Father of the Year.
Is Father of the Year.
Wonderful. By the way, where's Kalani? Kalani, come here. I like them want to leave you out that thing, you know, Kalani. Come sit right here. Or you want to sit with Daddy? Which one? Where you want to sit? All right. Eh? Actually look alike. Kalani doesn't have a mic on, and Kalani look like him not into it with this man either. Kalani must say kind of early for this TV thing, you know. What you want to say to your son in front of the entire Jamaica?
Kalani, I love you so much, and I'm super proud of you that I am your father.
Kalani say, with the food. What do you say to the other fathers? Even a father like me who could never boast what you have been doing and have done. What do you say?
A father like you.
Not a father like me.
Oh, you did say even a father like you. So a father like you, I would say keep on doing what you have been doing over the years. You said everyone would know your story, so I would think that you're doing something exceptional.
Actually, no.
Actually, no. Man them. It takes two to make a child. Don't leave it up to the mother. Put yourself in there as well.
You gonna have more kids?
Yes, I do. Just one more. I've always wanted 2 kids.
I won't. Kalani, you want a sister or a brother? Both? All right, well, there you go. Can only say both. Well, you're in trouble, you. Or maybe twins.
Well.
One time don't drag away.
Well, that can work too.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for having me.
You are such an inspiration.
Thank you, sir.
And I pray that other fathers out there watching would have learned a lot from you. It's amazing. I wish I was half the man you are. Half, well, even quarter. That'd be good. Congrats.
Thank you very much, sir.
Kelani, not into it with this man. Kelani, I look around and say, where is the breakfast? Safe trip back home.
Thank you, sir.
And God bless you and your family.
Thank you, sir.
Father of the Year 2025, Mr. Carlton Stewart. Still to come, the NHT Home It series. Sim will have that one when we come back. Stay with us, please. Well, do we have the...
Look how your son favor you. Look on the little girl. Treat the baby mother like she deserve the world. Big up all the real mothers.